Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your DJI Mini 4K to your smartphone. So, firstly, we should install our smartphone on our controller. So as you can see, here we have this part, and in this part we can fix our device here, and it will be like fixation. Okay, here we have the USB cable. On the one side, this cable has USB-C. On the other side, in my case, it will have Lightning, just because I have an iPhone. And cool. So, what about installing? So it's very easy to do. You just should do it in this way. So then you should download and install DJI Fly application from the App Store. Oops, my device is charging. So download and install this app and open this application. Afterwards, you will have to log in to your account, and if you don't have an account, you should create it and then connect your device to the controller. Afterwards, we should enable our controller. And how to do that? Just press the controller and press and hold. You will hear the sounds and your device will start to charge. As you can see now, connection guide is blinking. Okay. So then here you have your drone, your copter. So open the gimbal shield and enable your copter. To do that, press and hold. Wait a while and leave it on the ground or on the table, I don't know. Cool. Then click connection guide, searching for aircraft. Wait a while. And cool, DJI Mini 4K, it was successfully connected. It was first connection, and as you can see, it works. Suitable environment for flight. Yes, I know, thank you so much. Click OK. Standard default text size. Okay, and cool. Now my copter is ready to fly. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.